Good morning sa tanan, no? Buntag sayo pero nabuisit ko aning video nga nakita nako sa Facebook, no? Kaning principal nga gipahubo niya toga ang mga estudyante nga mo graduate. I believe this is a matter of personal interest. Wala siguro nasunod ang gusto sa principal maong iyan ang nabuhat during the graduation day sa mga bata. The graduation day is the most important part sa mga estudyante gyud, especially those parents attending the graduation. No? And here comes maora na yung nahitabo during the graduation day. So tanawan ninyo ang full video.
This is the activity of the Department of Education. Thank you for your obedience. So, just take off your toga because it is not prescribed as your uniform for graduation. Okay? School uniform with your ribbons and your hablan. That's all. Okay?
Nakpak ka mo, nalipay ka mo, palaan ka mo.
Nakpak ka mo, police for you. We are training our learners to be disciplined and obedient to authority. What kind of attitude are we giving them? What kind of practice and what kind of examples are we giving them? Disobedience to local authorities?
Suksok nyo lagi mo.
I don't want to see anybody with your hats and your togas because it is not indeed order.
Nagsaylo ko man sa iyong eskwelahan daw. Hindi, campus lang dyan. Ang muna klase, tapos luwaan na.
Advisors to write the names of those who violated the authority.
So during the pita, no, nanay teacher gyud nga nilaban sa mga student, no. Kudos to this teacher nga nitindog gyud para sa mga estudyante.
Saka ka pa di daw?
vehemently violated the rules. You have